thing. Thinking about using Let's Leap, but not sure if it's a scam or a legitimate marketing powerhouse. You've probably seen it pop up everywhere, promising leads, traffic, and even income. But what's the real story? Let's dive in and break it down. First, let's talk about what people genuinely like about LeadSlip. The biggest draw is that it's an all-in-one marketing toolkit, even on the free plan. You get a page builder, an autoresponder for email marketing, link tracking, and even traffic generation features without paying a dime. This low-cost entry point is a huge plus for beginners. Instead of juggling expensive separate tools, you get a whole suite in one place. Another positive is the potential for exposure. Many users report getting decent traffic through LeadSlip's network. Now, it's not a magic button, but if you treat it as a tool to build exposure for your affiliate offers or your own products, it can definitely help. The platform has also been around since 2008, so it's not some fly-by-night operation. It's an established, legitimate service. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Let's get real about the common complaints. Letter users report earning very little money. You'll see reviews saying things like, "I've been a member for years and only made $1." This happens because the quality of the traffic can be mixed. Since part of the model is a traffic exchange, where users click ads to earn credits, not everyone clicking your link is a genuinely interested buyer. This hurts conversion rates. This brings me to a crucial point. LeadSlip is not a set-and-forget income generator. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. You have to bring your own strategy to the table, a good offer, solid marketing skills, and consistent effort. Some users also complain that the interface feels a bit dated compared to newer, sleeker platforms, and a few have mentioned issues with payouts. So, who is LeadSlip actually for? It's a great fit if you're a beginner or a marketer on a tight budget who wants to experiment with building funnels, lists, and tracking links without a big financial commitment. It's also good if you have your own product or affiliate offer to promote. However, it's probably not for you if you expect instant, easy money just by clicking a few ads. It's also not ideal if you need a constant stream of high-quality, high-converting traffic for a large-scale business. My final verdict: LeadSlip is definitely not a scam. It's a legitimate, long-standing platform that provides a useful set of marketing tools for a very low cost or even for free. But it's not magic. Your success depends entirely on what you do with it. If you're looking for passive income with no effort, you'll be disappointed. But if you want a low-risk sandbox to practice your marketing skills and test out your funnels, it's a very reasonable choice. Thanks for watching. If this helped clear things up, give this video a like and subscribe for more honest reviews. See you next time.